Hello. Welcome back. And today I am going to make an easy, healthy, and vegan recipe for breakfast, snack, or even dinner because my family loves eating it for dinner. And this is pretty simple, very easy. It is called Moong Dal Cheela or Mung Bean Crepe. Super easy, very delicious and very healthy. So yeah, let's go and I will show you how to make. So let me show you the ingredient first. I'll be using carrot. These are homegrown, and I have beets, homegrown, ginger, green chili, garlic. I have many cloves, but you can use up to your taste. My family loves garlic, so I put a lot. Then we have onion and homegrown kale and chili powder, salt, and the star of this recipe, soaked moong dal. I soaked it overnight, but you don't have to. You can just soak it for an hour or so and then drain the water, wash it nicely. That's it. So these are pretty simple ingredients, very healthy ingredients, and we will start by grinding all these in a grinder. I have Vitamix, but you can use whichever you have. So I'm going to put all the ingredients except kale into the grinder and grind it into a thin paste. Those carrots, beets, garlic, onions, and chili, and finally mung bean. I'm going to add a little bit of water so that it helps in grinding it fine, and I might have to add a little bit more later, but let's grind these first, and then later we're going to add kale. Look at the beautiful color, pink color. I love beets. I normally use beets raw. I don't like this texture after cooking, so I use beets raw in salads, smoothies, and like this Cheela. I think it's done, but a little bit more water. And it's done. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon and a half, or according to taste. We eat salt on a lighter side, so teaspoon and a half. And then chili, also about a teaspoon. Give it a good mix, and then we're going to transfer it to a bowl and leave it for about 30 minutes to ferment or to settle in, get all the flavors going. You can keep it for 30 minutes or an hour or 3 hours or 4 hours. The more you let it sit, the more it will ferment, and the taste is going to be kind of different from what it's going to be now if you use it immediately. I have tried all and I have loved all, so it's up to you. I call it a quick breakfast, quick snack, because you just soak it for 30 minutes and grind, and then you're ready. So I have my griddle out. I'm going to oil the griddle, and then I'm going to start spreading the batter on the griddle in a perfect round shape. Let's see if I can make it, because this batter is really thick, lot of fiber because of kale, carrot, beets, onion. You must be wondering why I have the audio for video turned off and I'm doing a voiceover, because I totally forgot that my girls had loud music on when I was filming this, and now I cannot use that because of YouTube's royalty music, like royalty-free music. So this voiceover, so bear with me. The next video is going to be much better. So now, different view of Cheela or crepe. It looks like this. Looks perfect. The red pink color is beautiful, and I'm going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes till the sides of the Cheela or crepe starts to leave the griddle. And when it starts doing that, it means it is
coming up
cooking. So and easy to flip.
Now I'm going to flip.
Now we're going to flip it and cook the other side also for 2 to 3 minutes.
Sprinkle olive oil.
Sprinkle little olive
If
oil.
no, then leave the oil out.
To avoid the sticking to the grill.
A little bit does make a difference. So we'll cook this side for about a minute or 2, and then we're ready to eat.
So it's done. It's ready to eat. My family like it on softer side, whereas I love crispy version of it. So if it was for me, I would leave it for a couple of more seconds, and it will get a little bit crispier. But this thing is ready, and I think I should get a plate. And I can wait to dig in. It looks really good. So normally you can eat it as it is, or use it as a wrap with a vegetable or anything you have, or you can eat with pickle, mango achar. This is mango, Indian achar, or good old ketchup which is my favorite. I eat it. I love eating it with ketchup. Sauce, as they call it in my country, India. And then my husband loves it with the mint chutney, green chutney that he makes every week. So I'm going to take that also because I love to mix ketchup, tomato ketchup with the green chutney, and it tastes so good. Oh, I'm ready. Let me try. It looks delicious. Let's see if it tastes delicious or not. It's hot. Right off the griddle, it's kind of hot. Yeah, it is delicious. And what is good about it is that it is delicious and as well as healthy. So it makes you feel happy that you're eating healthy food. So do try it and let me know if you like it or not. And I'll see you later. Bye.